Experiencing knee pain, swelling, arthritis, or discomfort during walking, running, climbing stairs, or daily activities? Try knee support open patella with silicone for knee comfortable, reliable support. Inside comfortable silicone ring for patella alignment. Integrated comfort zone pressure-free flex for natural movement. Let's see how to wear this product. Measure circumference around mid-thigh approx 6 inches above knee to choose the correct size. This is knee support open patella with silicone. Slip your foot into the support and pull it up until the patella opening is centered over the kneecap. Silicone ring centered for perfect kneecap support. Enjoy a flexible fit and lasting comfort through every activity. Stay supported while running. Thanks for watching.